Dating year ng UP, no? Idea namin was to inspire the young students, the young people, to take pride in being a UP student. They made the right move, and now they're in an institution which will give them all the tradition of learning, excellence, and all these things, no? Kaya even yung Centennial song is very koting yabang, no? Ang title niyan eh.
Natural yun sa UP.
Ang title nga ay UP, ang galing mo. Alright, so, sige nga. Pakinggan natin.
Sayaw ka dun!
Narito kami nagpupugay sa universidad na aming buhay. Ikaw pa rin ang pinapalitan, di pa rin malimutan. Ikaw ang lupin namin.
Welcome home to our guests, Agnes and Beth. I'm very glad to be here. I think I haven't missed a Tau Alpha event yet.
That's good.
And I'm very glad. I would like to echo what he said about our fraternities. You know, recently there have been many violent events in the university, always about the fraternities. And they always end up in the news. And people say bad things about the university because of this. But you know, I'm very proud to say that in the College of Engineering, for the past 10 years already, there hasn't been any incident among the 5 fraternities. Because
we do it outside.
No, the number one reason is that our alumni are taking care of them. The alumni make sure that the fraternities are working together. In fact, in the most recent event, you know, where a student died, the one from the NCPAG, from the College of Public Administration and Governance, our student came up with a large streamer in front of the college showing all the good things that the fraternities are doing, both inside the university and outside. That is our statement, but you know, it's not all about violence. The other thing I would like to tell you about is that, you know, being a centennial of the university, we moved the homecoming of the college to June 13 for this year. And we're going to do it right in front of the college. And it's very easy to remember because it's Friday the 13th. So I hope you will all come. And you know, I was talking to the UPAE because the silver and the golden jubilarians are in charge of the homecoming. Sabi nila, pwede ba sa loob na lang ng NEC, which is the National Engineering Center, beside the college? Sabi naman ng iba, hindi naman tayo doon nag-graduate eh. Dapat kung saan tayo nag-graduate, doon. So sabi ng iba, paano naman pag umulan? Kasi June eh. So, lahat sila tumingin sa akin, kung gagawin, sabi ko, well, we're engineers, we have to be able to do something. So ngayon na-challenge na sila kung ano iniisip nilang mga hanging, ceiling, and I don't know what they're going to do with the downs. And then the other event is on June 21. This is sa Araneta Coliseum. This is the general homecoming for the entire university. It starts at 2 in the afternoon. Yung sa atin yung June 13 na Friday the 13th, it's going to start at 6 p.m. Pero sabi nila, we are going to do 2 things, no? There's an open house at 2 p.m. in the afternoon para naman makita niyo yung mga departments na pinanggalingan niyo. Kanina Beth was saying, ang ganda naman, meron na palang ganitong gamit doon, may ganung gamit. Of course, we have already advanced. In fact, I was telling her that in a year and a half, we will be opening the Triple M building. Wow!
Yeah, because we received, the government has agreed to give 3 billion to the College of Engineering in the next 3 billion po. So we are going to build 7 new buildings for the college. May elevator na po tayo. We are the first academic unit with an elevator. Nung umalis na yung Arky, pinaayos na po natin. Bumili tayo ng bagong elevator.
Yes. Lit, yes, it's a lit.
May puli, may puli.
The other thing is, on June 19, this is a Thursday, merong concert sa CCP. This is an activity of the UP Centennial. The concert, it's actually a musical about the history of UP. Kasi 100 years old na eh. And national artists yung may gawa ng buong musical. And the College of Engineering, the UP Alumni Engineers said, we will block off 500 tickets for the UP College of Engineering. So kung manonood kayo ng concert, itapat nyo yung Thursday night. It's going to be at CCP at 6 p.m. So I hope to see all of you. Sana lahat kayong nandito ngayon makikita ko. Good evening to everybody.